What's up everyone, welcome to Deep Roots Gaming. I'm DRP and today I'm bringing you a short video on how to customize your own PC case. We were going for a Carnage theme. This case is for my son. Here it is completed. If you guys want to make your own, stick around. Alright, first thing you want to do is get on the internet and find a logo of some sort you like. Print it out on stock paper like this. I use black ink. We're going to use this razor blade knife to cut it out. Again, use cardstock. Here it is cut out. I've already tested it. Going to use this Rust-Oleum spray paint, safe on plastic. Of course, you want to use a paint that works for you. It did have a little bit of overspray in the corners, but that's fine. Went ahead and did the same paint on the front thumb screws just to give a little extra detail. Also popped off the front panel and started out with a few light sprays. I was going for a sparkle effect. As you see here, kind of sparkly. Here's the Carnage sticker I ordered off Amazon. I was going to put it on the side window. The window ended up being tinted, so it didn't show up as nice, but it's still cool. Here it is with the front panel popped back on. And here it is with the black piece screwed back on. Alright, here the finished product is. Got it lit up. Pretty nice. Worked out perfect. If you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe.